VistaOne has been with us since we had our earlier packet shaping bandwidth control devices. They were a solid partner, but historically they were very quiet because our devices just work. We would have our maintenance, and that would be about the extent of our relationship. However, when we actually moved into having to buy and purchase, the forefront of their sales team came forward and they explained to us all the options. The best part from my standpoint is that I did not have to go through a lot of marketees or marketecture or some sort of, we have this product, this is what you should buy. It really was an open, calm conversation, explaining the technologies out there, explaining where we were going over the next few years. And the limitations were shown to us.
They gave us several solutions to choose from that they supported. We took that, we looked at it. Every step of the way when we had questions, our engineers worked with the VistaOne engineers. It really was overall a good experience. We had a tight timeline in that at the beginning of the summer, really May, we started looking at and evaluating products, and by August we had a product bought and installed on the network. And that could not have happened without the support of the VistaOne crew.
We found that the approach to evaluating the Procera solution was one that was low-key, very intensive in its research, but not very intensive in its marketing. And what I mean by that is our partner, VistaOne, as well as the Procera group, once we had started to look more deeply at their product, were very forthcoming about what this product could do and how it could help us. But more than that, when we had questions or concerns, they were addressed quickly, efficiently, and from a technical standpoint, they were given the depth and attention that we would expect to really help us understand the impact of implementing and integrating this device into our network.
Experience from the start between the initial consult with VistaOne on who supported our other device. It was very open discussion. There was no pressure. We felt initially like we were heading in the direction of another device, and once we re-evaluated some of the criteria that we were under and how that box performed, that VistaOne openly said, well, let's take a look at this other box that that might be more suitable for your environment. So we did that, and even during the evaluation process and the testing, VistaOne and Procera both went out of their way to support us, to have an engineer on site.
I think in general the relationship we've had with VistaOne since the Procera and before the Procera has always been positive, and the support has been excellent.
All in all, our interaction with both Procera and VistaOne has been very good. We've had a great deal of assistance from both Procera and VistaOne.
Yeah, absolutely would recommend VistaOne. Probably the best part about them is their accessibility. This is a company that is very personal, and they take things personally. If there is a delay in a shipment, if there was any sort of confusion about technical matters, the technical team, sales team all step forward to help out as best they can, and they make sure that the problem is solved.